Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 5, Day 3. Our topic for today is Expanded and Vertical Form, Addition with Regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Here's a brief review of what we have discussed yesterday. Lesson Purpose Intention. To add 4-digit and 1-digit to 3-digit numbers with sum up to 10,000 in both expanded and vertical forms with regrouping. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read and understand the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key ideas then. Find the sum of 6,823 and 9 individually. Here are the possible ways. Number 1. Counting on, starting at 6,823 to 6,832. Number 2. Adding in expanded form with regrouping. Using expanded form, express each number in expanded form. 6,823 is equals to 6,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. The number 9 is written as is because it has only ones digit and is placed in the ones column. Add the value by place value starting from the ones place. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. Regroup 12 as 110 and 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column of the sum and carry over 110 to the tens column. Then as the tens, 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. Bring down the value in the hundreds and thousands column. Combine the partial sums to get the total 6,832. Using vertical form, write the numbers one below the other, aligning the digits according to their place values. Write 6,823 in the first line and 9 in the second line directly under the ones place of 6,823. The final sum after adding all the digits in each column is the total 6,832. As another example, 3,895 plus 46. How do we add numbers in vertical form with regrouping? Number 1. Write the numbers in vertical form, one below the other. Align the digits according to their place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Adds the digit in each column starting from the ones place and moving to the left. How do we add numbers in vertical form with regrouping? Regroup if needed. If the sum of a column is 10 or greater, write the ones digit in the same column. Carry over the tens digit to the next column of the left. Continue adding the remaining columns, include any carryover values. After adding all columns, the number you get is the total sum. Look at the illustration. Deepening understanding of the key ideas then. Let's have a class discussion. Making generalization and abstraction. How do you add numbers in expanded form with regrouping? Everybody will going to read the generalization and abstraction. Evaluating learning. Assessment 3, Part 1. Add the numbers using expanded form. Show your solution and final answer. Assessment 3, Part 2. Add the number using vertical form. Show your answer and solution. Here is the answer.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!